So I'm out here at Riverview Marina in Ashland City, Tennessee. We did 18 bikes out here. It's a beautiful ride. Lots of curvy roads, lots of straight roads if you're into that. I'll show you some of the footage. We're gonna sit down and eat, and then I'll film some of the ride back. This might be a two-part video. I'm not sure. It depends on how much content I have when I get back. Who's calling me? What's up, OMG Nation? I was running on fumes. I literally did not know if I was going to make it to the gas station or not. So this morning, I am headed out to Ashland City. I'm about to meet some of the guys from the HOG chapter at Moonshine Harley Davidson. I'm going to stay towards the back. Alright, so now that we're moving here, I'm going to do a review on these gloves right here that I have. I've had a few folks ask me about them. What are they? Do they feel good? Are they comfortable? So I've had these a few months now. And in Tennessee, it can be winter one day and spring the next, and summer the next, and then winter again. So I've ridden in these gloves in below 50-degree temperatures and in the rain. This is not that type of glove. There's not any insulation. It wasn't terrible. It was better than riding without anything at all. My hands were cold for certain. I think the most important thing is, how do these gloves perform in the summer, in the hot sun, in 90+ degree temperature? They do get a little hot, not terrible at all. There is a lot of protection. There's knuckle protection. This is the 5 company. This particular glove is called the Kansas. It is brown. I like the brown. My shoes are brown. I don't know that that I'm trying to match. I just threw that in there. But my shoes are brown and my gloves are brown. But I am wearing blue socks. And my helmet's blue. So go figure, whatever. Anyways, you are able to use a cell phone. They have the padded protection. I like them. I like the zip up. I like being able to wear them unzipped. And they're comfortable. They breathe a little bit for leather gloves. I'd buy them again for certain. On a scale from 1 to 10, these will get a 10 in my book all day long. But you can see them. Little pads here. Padding up here. The knuckle padding. The zip. The Velcro. 5 brand. 5 gloves. They're just really cool looking. Maybe they have sort of a vintage look to them. My man Ronnie's behind me running sweet. There goes Elmo. That dude's always wanting to be tickled. We are about to turn on Del Rio Pike. This is one of my favorite roads in the area. There is a lot of pretty scenery. I did old, what was the name of that? Ranger Dillard video with a dude I used to work with a long time ago. And me and another guy came down through here, and I had on tattoo sleeves and was riding in a 3/4 helmet with a cigar hanging out of my mouth the whole time. It was the nastiest tasting thing. By the time we finished that, I had the worst taste in my mouth. But it was a fun little video. Every time someone puts their foot out like this right here, there's something in the road, like that little mole. He didn't quite make it across. Gravel, dirt, all that stuff can possibly make your tires slide out from underneath you. I've talked about this in previous videos. It's important that when you're riding in a group like this, that everybody does hand signals. Ooh, I just got smacked with a huge bug.
here on YouTube.
Okay, I got it.
I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.